With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question. A symmetrical converging convex lens of focal length 10 cm and diverging concave symmetrical lens of focal length minus 20 cm are cut from the middle and perpendicularly symmetrically to their principal axis. The parts thus obtained are arranged as shown in figure. Find the focal length of this arrangement. So, a symmetrical converging convex lens. We can see this. It's a symmetrical converging convex lens and diverging concave symmetrical lens. So, it was a combination of these two lenses. Now, what we have done? We have cut this combination of lens from the middle perpendicularly and symmetrically to their principal axis. This is the principal axis. So now this combination has been cut from the middle and they are made perpendicular to the principal axis. And after that these two parts have been separated by distance 20 centimeter. That means 20 centimeter is the separation between these two combinations. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out the focal length of this arrangement. So first we will draw these two combination of lens. First we will draw the first one. First symmetrical part we will draw first. So this is the first combination now, and this is the principal axis. So we'll consider these two as two lens. See, this is L1 and this is L2. First we will take L1. For L1. Now what we have to do? We will apply the lens maker formula. What we have to do? First we have to write the lens maker formula for lens L1. Now we can see that for the lens L1, the first surface is convex surface and the second surface is plane surface. So what is the lens maker formula? According to lens maker formula, 1 by f is the focal length of lens L1, is equal to mu minus 1. Mu is the refractive index, 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Where R1 is the radius of curvature for the first surface, and R2, it will be R2, and R2 will be the radius of curvature for the second surface. This is the second surface for lens L1. Now we have to put the value, and also we know that power is the reciprocal of focal length. So 1 by f we can write it as P1, the power of lens 1 L1. For that we can write it as P1. So P1 is equal to mu minus 1. Then 1 by R1 minus 1 by infinite or infinity. Why we have put minus 1 by infinity? Because we can see that for the second surface, for lens L1, the second surface is plane surface, and for plane surface, the radius of curvature is infinity. That's why we have put 1 by infinity. So P1 is equal to mu minus 1 by R1, because 1 by infinity is 0. So this is our first equation, power of lens L1. Then again we have to apply the same formula, lens maker formula, for the lens 2. Now for L2. Now we will see again the diagram. See, for L2, now this surface, this plane surface will act like surface 1 and it will be act like number 2, that means surface 2. So again we have to apply the formula. So for L2 it will be P2, the power of lens 2, so mu minus 1. For that 1 by R1 will be 1 by infinity, because in this case the first surface is plane. That's why 1 by infinity minus 1 by R2. So it will become minus mu minus 1 by R2. Okay. Now for L3, the power will be P3. So again we will see the diagram. Okay. This will be L3. So we will draw L3 again. So L3 will be like this. Okay. This will be L3. It is surface 1, face 1 and it is face 2. So for P3, again we have to apply lens maker formula mu minus 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2, where R1 is the radius of curvature of first surface, R2 is the radius of curvature for second surface. So here also mu minus 1 by R1, because here R2 will be infinity or infinite because the second surface is plane surface. Okay. But now we have to just relate this R1 with the previous radius R2. Okay. See the diagram. The radius of curvature for this surface and this surface will be same, because if we consider this surface, the radius of curvature will be this, and if we consider this surface, the radius of curvature will be this. But when we will consider this surface, the radius of curvature will be positive, and for this surface the radius of curvature will be negative. So here R1 will be minus R2, because already this is explained that for this surface, okay, for this surface, if we consider this surface, this will be the radius of curvature with positive, and for this surface it will be the radius of curvature with negative. Okay. So now see, that's why we have written here R1 is equal to minus R2. Okay. So it will be equal to minus R2. Clear? Now see, for converging, F is equal to R1 to mu minus 1. We know that for converging, what will be the focal length? The formula focal length is equal to the radius of curvature R1 by 2 into mu minus 1. Okay. And in the question it is written that for the converging lens, the focal length is 10 centimeters. See the previous line, a symmetrical converging convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay. And for the diverging, the focal length is minus 20 centimeters. So just we have to put the value. Okay. So F is equal to R1 by 2 mu minus 1. This is the formula for the converging lens. Okay. Focal length. So it will be 10. Okay. So R1 became 20 into mu minus 1. Okay. Then for diverging, what is the formula for diverging lens of focal length? See, it will be 2 mu minus 1. Okay. So here it is 20. Clear? So R2 will be 2 into 20, that will be 40 into mu minus 1. Clear? Next. So we got P1 equal to mu minus 1 by R1. This one we got. Okay. So what is the value of mu minus 1 by R1? See, from this equation, mu minus 1 by R1 is equal to 1 by 20. So we have to just write 1 by 20. Okay. Next, for P2. What is the equation of P2? P2 we got mu minus 1 by R2 with negative sign. So mu minus 1 by R2 will be 1 by 40. So it will be minus 1 by 40. Okay. Next. So what is the total power? So P1 plus P2 for the first combination of lens, it's coming 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40. That is 1 by 40 positive. And what about P3? P3 was mu minus 1 by minus R2. Okay, the same mu minus 1 by minus R2. So mu minus 1 by minus R2 is same. See, P2 is also minus mu minus 1 by R2. P3 is also same, mu minus 1 by minus R2. So it will be again equal to minus 1 by 40 here. So combined power 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what will be the combined power? C. P1 plus P2 plus P3 minus D. D is the distance between the combination after cutting. So that is 20 centimeter is given. Again that into P1 plus P2, this combination into P3. Okay. So P1 plus P2 already we got 1 by 40. Okay. Then minus 1 by 40. This, then minus 20, D is already given, then P1 plus P2 again 1 by 40 into minus 1 by 40. So after that we have to calculate. Okay, minus minus plus, so it will come in 1 by 80 plus, right? So the combined power is coming 1 by 80. So what will be the combined focal length? 1 by P1, 2, 3, that is 80 centimeter.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.